1954 Chevrolet 210 two-door sedan here at Unique Specialty and Classics. I kind of call this one a survivor. It's got a little bit of a street rod look to it, but it's still pretty stock looking. 235 inline 6 underneath the hood, paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission shipped on the column. Take a look at the front bright work headlight surrounds. Now, as far as paint on this, like I said, I kind of mentioned survivor in a way. It's got a little bit of that patina look where it appears that it could be original paint. Obviously not perfect, but still has a cool look to it. A little bit of pinstriping has been done. Original color of this car, Horizon Blue with blue wheels. So if you take a look at that, pretty original looking color on this car. Paint code would have been 543, so a solid color car top to bottom. Horizon Blue. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the still pics. And of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. Riding on the wide white wall radial tires. You can see Chevy center caps, beauty rings on those blue wheels. Interior trim code of 305 was light blue pattern, dark blue plain cloth. So we still have a very similar looking interior to that, but it has been reupholstered. Nice shape, stock looking dash. We're gonna get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. At the very end of this video, we're also gonna take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. You can see it's straight up and down this passenger side, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, you have some kind of thin spots in the paint, a little bit of that patina look. Look at how good that bright work looks up and down the passenger side. Again, a little bit of pinstriping added. Cool look. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Taking a look at the chrome in the rear of the car. Of course, the Chevrolet emblems, a little bit more of that pinstriping. Just tastefully done. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pictures. So we take a look down the driver's side. Now, if you like these mid-50s Chevys, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor if you can make it to see us in person. You always like that? And again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches down this driver's side. Take a little closer look at this interior. Look at these door panels. Those are in nice shape. Again, seating surfaces. And I believe that's been reupholstered. Awful nice shape. But again, the original color of this car in the interior would have been light blue pattern with dark blue plain cloth. Looks very similar to what that is. Maybe the Chevy experts can tell me the pattern of the cloth this car would originally came with. All right, there you can see the 3 in the column. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Remember that 235 inline 6 underneath the hood. And there's something I want to show you underneath there that's pretty cool too. That's how this baby is started up every time I turn that key. Pops right over. Take a look at your gauge cluster. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. Oil pressure, you can see, climbed up, still climbing. Battery and fuel gauge all appear to be working. I have not had the radio power up, so you're aware of that. The chrome on the dash, nice shape. Paint good. Let's check out this headliner. How's that look? Visors. That headliner looks like it could be original. That door closes nicely. And listen listen to this. All right, let's slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood. Like I said, I got something I want to show you underneath there. And you Chevy experts or maybe old school hot rodders, help me out with this. It's the first time I've seen these. All right, here's the hood open. So we have had an aluminum radiator added, a little better cooling. Now if you notice, we got a little different valve cover on there, and that's what I wanted to ask the old schoolers, especially hot rodders out there. Thixton brand, as you can see here. So 2 covers down below, and then of course valve cover. Kind of cool. So it's a ribbed polished Thixton cover, top and bottom there. If you know about those, know some history of it, put it down in the comments down below this video. We always like to hear from who's watching these vids. Smooth running engine, again inline 6. Manual transmission, 3-speed on the column. Pretty cool looking 1954 Chevrolet 210 2-door sedan. 507-386-1726, number to call, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1954 Chevrolet 210. This would be a 2-door. What's kind of cool about this car is the rear side windows also roll down, even though it's a 2-door. As you can see, our turn signal indicators do work on this car. This is a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Smooth running car. The thing about these straight 6s is they're smooth runners and very durable engines. Speedometer working. Temperature gauge a quarter of the way up from cold. The fuel gauge showing over half a tank. The battery gauge is right in the middle. And oil pressure is on the top of the gauge, which shows 60 psi. Ooh, factory horn is nice and loud. This car really has a beautiful interior. The blue and silver. The headliner's in good shape. The visors are in good shape. Maybe a slight bit of slack in the steering is to be expected from this era of car. Not much to affect performance at all. It is equipped with a clock. There is no second hand. I can't really tell if that's moving, but clock equipped in 1954 is a cool thing. We'll leave it in second gear for the roundabout. This car stays pretty flat, doesn't lean too much in the corners, less than I expected actually. Easy to clutch, easy to shift. Of course, we've got these wing windows to let the fresh air in, and they do have their own cranks. That's a nice touch as well. Take a look at all the pictures and see this car up close and personal at uniqueclassiccars.com.